Hello students, welcome to week 7 in the JSS 1 first term curriculum. Also, a big welcome to Oya Learn, where we post educative content that will help you get better in your studies. This is English class. Now in this class, we will be learning the fifth pure vowel. The fifth pure vowel in English sounds. Now I want you, this is a speech class, I want you to stay focused, pay attention, and majorly listen and repeat, because in this class you will learn how to pronounce the fifth pure vowel and also know where they occur in words. Now let's start. The fifth pure vowel is written in slashes, and also it is a long vowel. It is a long vowel because the sound, when you pronounce the sound, you have to stress on the sound. If it was a short vowel, there will be no stress on the sound. But if it is a long vowel, there will be much stress on the sound when pronounced. Now, the fifth pure vowel is ah. Ah. Very good. Like I said earlier, this is speech class where you listen and repeat after your teacher. Very good. So let's do it again. Ah. Ah. Very good. Now, what did you notice as you pronounce these sounds? You notice that first, your lip is a bit open and your jaw, your lower jaw is lowered. Your lower jaw is lowered, it comes down. So now I want you to take a look at this. Ah. Ah. Now, what did you notice? You noticed that the lower jaw comes down. Same with the tongue. So this has to work in place for you to be able to pronounce this sound correctly. Now, this is the long R sound. We have the short R sound that is written in this way. This is the short R sound, and it is pronounced as ah. Ah. But the long R sound is pronounced as ah. Very good. Now you see the difference between both sounds. Now this particular sound occurs in words like the first word C-A-R, car, car. Then we have two, farm, farm. All right. 3, we have art. Then 4, we have part. Then 5th, we have park. Then 6th, we have calm. All right. Now let's go through these words. There are many other words, but you can as well do well to identify those words that has this vowel sound in it. Now the first word is car. Car. The word car is just 2 sounds, k and ah, k and ah. So when you blend them together, you have the word car. Very good. Now the next word is farm. Farm. So how many sounds do we have here? We have 3 sounds, including the long R sound. That is why it is pronounced as farm. And where does this sound occurs in the word farm? It occurs here, in the middle of the word, AR, farm. All right. Now the word three is heart. Heart. Very good. Where does the vowel R occurs? It occurs in the middle. Art. All right. The next word we have is part. The vowel sound occurs here. The next word we have is park. And the vowel sound R occurs here. And then lastly, we have calm. The vowel sound occurs here. Calm. For the word calm, we have three sounds. We have k, r, and mm. So when you blend them together, you have calm. The L in this word is silent. So it substitutes for the vowel R. Very good. So please, I want you to go ahead to look for other words that has this sound. Also do well to keep watching this video, watch it over and over and over again, listen and repeat, and get very good in pronouncing this sound.